The Great Wolf Lodge in Grange, Georgia. Our first time there. That says water park. Whoa!
Nice shot, Benji! We won!
Hey, they got free stuff on the patio. Look at that. What's that bus doing inside? Is that silly? Hi. Hey.
Keep on going with the ropes. There you go.
It says I have 2 gems. This is the lava floor, right?
Show us again.
Okay. Can I almost?
No, I'm gonna film you behind you. Do something epic.
You wanna go in the hot tub?
Yeah, let's go in the hot tub.
Cold out here.
Yeah, look at all that steam.
Yeah. Where is that steam coming from?
Hot water and cold air makes steam.
You went over there? Man, it was too crazy.
Oh, nice. Nice shot. He's got a shot.
All right, show me your wands.
I don't want to be the best one. Oh, where we go? Here we go. Where are we going to our road trip? Why would I get splashed? Here we go. We're going down. Where are we going, Jesse? Dumpity, dump, dump, dumpity, dump. Okay, so we're going up to the slide. We have to get. Do you want to go in the dark one or the light one?
All right, Benji. Woo-hoo!
Well, we're going.
treats over here in the right by the elevators. Beers, wine, coffee, cereal, pine bars.
What was your favorite part?
Going down the tunnel. We're in Florida at the Great Waterslides and Florida Boys Travel.
We're in Georgia.
In Georgia.
We're in the state of Georgia.
In the state of Georgia.
With the Florida Boys
Now,
Travel.
Mommy has to hold.
Uh-oh, it's neck and neck.
Stay concentrated right on the center. Don't move. This place has super long hallways. Have you went on any of the big slides yet?
Yeah,
Over there?
2 of them.
Putt ball. A bowling alley back there. This place is a kid's paradise. All right, now jump to the next one. There you go.
You can do it, Brady. Be nice, good, and strong, and brave.
I can't see it, man.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah.
Oh, the wolf's really cool. Can we get the wolf?
Yeah, if you want. All right. All right, hop out.
Do it again?
You did that like a champ, Mama. Good job.
222. Before
Logan.
They're getting 5 new games in, so they're moving everything around.
Ah. It was just me. Oh, sorry about that. Brady. Benji. Oh, you started moving too soon, Benji.
Player number 3, you win. Congratulations, player number 3.
Brady's on fire. Ah, feel that warm air.
Yeah, there you go.
That was awesome.
Who won? Who won?
They won. They got off before we did. All right, Benji, what you gonna get?
because I wanted breakfast to be easy, and it was. Here I am.
Look at his head.
So you're telling me there's a ropes course and basketball, and I almost missed the hot tub? I just got smushed in the baby slides.
We just wanted to go into the sea. And then he saw you.
You win a big prize ticket. Close race, everyone. Let's play again.
You want to play a different game?
Yeah.
Very convenient. There's no like valet, so you kind of have to carry your own stuff, but at least they give you a cart.